Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will discuss about 6 important formulas that will save our time. We have the particulars and we need to find these 4 formulas against the particulars. We have another particular and we need to find these 2 formulas against the particular. So we start our first example or first formula, which is either the written cell is text or not. So we use IsText, bracket open, and select the cell and close the bracket and enter. It says true, and now we need to drag it down the formula so it will apply on the remaining cells. So you can find the result that Eric is text and 85 is false, and again you can see that the character it counts in a text. And now we use IsNonTEXT. It explains about either the cell is text or not. So use IsNonTEXT, and in the value select the cell and close the bracket and enter. It says false. Basically it is the opposite of text, so we need to drag it down to apply the same formula. So you can see here 85 is true because it is non-text. Now for the number we use IsNUMBER, bracket open, and in the value we need to select the cell and close the bracket and enter. It says false. Now again drag it down the same formula so you can see the result. It means Eric is false, and you can see dollar is false, which means it is not a number. Or in the formula we use IsFORMULA, bracket open, and in the reference we will give the reference of our cell, which is B5. Close the bracket and enter. It says false. Now we need to drag it down the same formula to apply below, and you can see it says true in 16th, and you can see we have used formula here. Again you can see true in -71, and you can see the formula. This is how we can find the formula in the cell. Now in the second particular we need to find the blank, so use IsBLANK, bracket open, and in the value we select the cell and close the bracket and enter. You can see it says false, and now we need to drag it down. So it says true because in this blank cell we have used true, and for the unblank cell it says false. And for the error we use IsError, bracket open, and in the value again we select the cell, close the bracket and enter. Now we need to drag it down. So you can see here it says false because nothing is written. So we create an error by dividing with the number. So you can see it says value error and it says true, which means it found the error. Again we create the error, and you can see it says true, which means it found the error. This is how we can find these formulas to save our